From the hills where the ancestors whisper, to the streets where the youth still wander. Hear this. Long before the city lights glow bright, we were walking barefoot in the morning light. Grandfather's voice in the breeze still say, hold firm, child, don't lose your way. From the soil where the sugar once bled, now we plant new dreams where the old tears shed. Every root got a story to tell, from the burning sun to the freedom bell. Oh, the river still run, though the banks feel dry, and the truth still stand, though they tell you a lie. You can hear it if you just stay still, in the heartbeat drum and the Zion will. Roots still calling, can you hear them cry? Through the wind and the rain, through the days gone by. Stand up strong, don't you pass it by. It's your name in the earth, it's your birthright. Roots still calling from the hill so high, to the drum and the chant, to the lullaby. Hold the faith, keep the fire inside, let it burn, let it guide your life. Youth man run, but him can't outrun truth. Fast lane life, take the strength of youth. Gold chain shine, but the soul feel cold. What good is silver if you lose your soul? Mama cry when the night get long, another son lost in a system wrong. But the elders' word still echo clear. Self-reliance conquer fear. Plant your food, speak your truth, know your roots, 'cause that's the proof. From the drumbeat rise a healing sound. Every broken spirit can be found in the chant where the voices blend. We begin where we once did end. Land is sacred, don't sell your ground. That's the crown where your strength is found. What we build with our own two hands, no storm nor time could ever disband. Roots still calling, can you hear them cry? Through the wind and the rain, through the days gone by. Stand up strong, don't you pass it by. It's your name in the earth, it's your birthright. Roots still calling from the hills so high, through the drum and the chant, to the lullaby. Hold the faith, keep the fire inside, let it burn, let it guide your life. Give thanks to the elders who walked before, guide the youth through every open door. In the soil, in the spirit, in all we do, the roots still live in you.